Hello everyone, hello lovelies. This is Lucia's Delicacies, of course you know already, and today we'll be making red oil stew. This is a recipe I just felt like, okay, I need to eat something red oil. Let me just quickly put one or two together, and then I used some spices in my kitchen. First I added red oil into the pan, then went in with a bit of groundnut oil. Allow it to heat up, just heat up a bit. Then you add in your salt, go in with your onion, sliced onion, stir, just stir fry it for like 30 seconds. You keep stirring, and by now if you're used to my channel, you should know my secret recipe is blended garlic and ginger. So I go in with my garlic and ginger paste. I stir. Next I'll be going in with my pepper mix. My pepper mix is a combination of fresh pepper, atarodo and shombo and tatashi, blended of course. So I went in with it, fried it, leave it to fry for like 2 minutes. Then I'll go in with my paste, my tomato paste, mix it well together. Oh my god, like this is a quick recipe you will want to try in your kitchen. Just something quick. Stir. After stirring, you have to leave it to fry, so it can simmer well with the oil, you know. Oh my god, like the sizzle in my kitchen is something else. Here it's me frying it again after like 2 minutes of cooking. As you can see, the oil is already separating from the tomatoes, meaning it's frying. Okay, now my tomato is well fried. As you can see, the red oil has already completely separated from the tomatoes, meaning it's ready. So next I'll be going with my fish. I'll be using mackerel smoked fish for this, and some leftover turkey I have in my fridge. So I go in with my fish, mix well with the paste, just turn it to mix well with the paste. Next I'll be going in with my spices. Yeah, these spices I'll just put the combination of the spices in my description, or you can use any spices you have in your kitchen, any spices at all, even if it's just Maggi and seasoning cube and salt. They're still good to go. And then I'll be going in with my turkey. Yeah, I love turkey. Who doesn't love turkey? I love boiled turkey in particular. I don't really like fried one. So here is me trying to mix it with the sauce. Mix. Okay, I'm done mixing it with the sauce, turning it well, and then the next you see me going in with is the meat broth, that's the turkey broth, to lighten the stew and to, put it together. Yay! Our stew is almost ready. All we need to do now is cover it up and allow it to boil for extra 1 minute plus. Just to boil for like 1 minute plus. After that, our food is ready. Yeah. Guys, are you seeing this? Yeah, this is ready. You can pair this with your rice, you can pair this with plantain, you can pair this with just anything you would like to. Alright, bye for now. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Ciao.